Hello everyone. I wanted to make a video explaining the adaptive footstep sound system I made for this project using Unity and Wwise. This is a fairly simple system, and everyone with a basic knowledge of Unity should be able to go through this. I'm hoping this will be helpful for people who want to have this type of setup for their project. So without further ado, let's check it out. So I'm using one of Unity's universal render pipeline sample scenes called Garden. The 3D character and its animations are taken from Mixamo. So you can also get free assets like this and put them together to have projects to work on your sound design implementations. This one is particularly a good example for this type of demonstration because it has different types of ground materials. So let's check out what we have in Wwise. In Wwise, I have footstep sounds for each material in random containers. Then I've set up a material switch containing different types of ground materials that references to the corresponding audio. I'm not going to get into this too much into detail in this video. There are many videos about using switches in Wwise, and also you can check audio kinetics documentation or tutorials for it. But instead I want to show you the Unity side of it for now. So the idea is we will have a script called sound material attached to the ground meshes, which we can manually choose the proper switch material from. We want the character to shoot raycasts downwards on each step, and we will have the material from the ground once the raycast hits. Once we have the material type, we will set the according switch type and pause the event to play back the corresponding footstep sound. The sound material script is just a public field of Wwise switch type, which makes available for us to choose the material in the inspector. We need to attach this to all of the ground meshes. Once we have this, we will attach our material checker script to characters' both feet. With the getMaterial method, we will be shooting raycasts downwards from the character's feet. The raycast hits the ground, and we get the material through the sound material component, which we have already set manually and made sure to attach to all of the ground meshes before. We shoot the raycasts, get the material, and return it. Next, we need to pause the event at the moment the character's foot touches the ground when it's walking or running. For this, we write this onFootstep method, in which we set the value according to the material we got before via the material checker and pause the footstep event. Here I put this in the third-person controller script, but any script attached to the character object should work. The only thing we need to do now is that we go to the animations, and on the walking animation we create an animation event and call the footstep method, and that's it. As I said, this is a very basic system and it's easy to implement, but it works. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions or recommendations, please share in the comments section, and see you soon.